You feel that?
Yes.
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 Take the chin inside, like this, yes. There we go. Put the head like this.